Hello and welcome my ukulele friends. Today I'm going to share my top ukulele YouTube hacks to help make your learning journey so much better. It's actually going to help improve your whole YouTube experience. So I hope if you get value out of this, that you can give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss future lessons. Let's get started.
Hack 3.
Description. So a description is a really handy tool for creators to give you extra information. Sometimes rather than putting a link on the screen and you having to type in all this big long, not very practical link, you can just click on the description and it's usually there. They might also include timestamps, as mentioned earlier, and other relevant info. So to get to the description, when you're watching a video in portrait mode, there's a tiny little arrow just below the video. If I click on that, it brings up a full description, which often will include links that you can just simply click on, and it's as easy as that.
I'll be releasing my next YouTube hack really soon, so if you're not already subscribed, don't forget to do that and ring the bell so you get notified when the next video is released. Once it has been released, you'll see it here in the end screen, so just click that video and keep on watching.